What's up, guys? It's Casey with the Going Bracket Racing YouTube channel. Getting ready to do a little practicing here. It's pretty hot outside right now. Going to show you guys how to set the practice tree up to connect in your car so you can actually practice inside the actual car. About as realistic as it can be without the car actually being at the track. For whatever reason, if you need to practice at home, feel like you're not hitting the tree, this is the way that I hook it up, so pay attention. So first thing you gotta do, take off this side panel right here, and then it'll give me on this particular car access to all the electronics up in this area, and I'll show you what I got going on. So guys, here's what we're working with. We just got this Final Round 2. This is all old stuff. I actually got this all given to me by one of my dad's buddies long time ago. It's just the Final Round setup. It's pretty much the original setup. In fact, this back connection is the original computer setup. Just going to show you, no need to pay a ton of money for all this new stuff. There's the button for it. I cut the button off. Here's the wire ends. You can still twist them together and use it the normal way if you want to. I made these alligator clips just on the end of some, I don't know, maybe 16 gauge wire. And then we're gonna hook them up to an area here in the car that goes to the trans brake button in the delay box. So see right here, I just have this. It's actually spade connectors just wrapped in electrical tape so it doesn't ground out. So we're gonna cut this electrical tape off and I'll show you guys here what we got. All right guys, so there's the spade connector I was telling you about. So all you're trying to do is you're trying to complete the circuit. This goes to ground, that's to hot. It has power to the button. So I just connect it to the ground right here. And now, when we push the button, it completes the circuit and works like normal. So that's how you do that. Turn this tree on and plug it in, and then we'll be good to go. All right guys, we're in the car. You can see, push the button, apply the button. Everything works now, so good to go. So like you can see guys, that's a super easy thing to do, easy way to practice while you're in the garage. Or if you're like me and you just get bored every once in a while, that's about the only thing that you can actually practice at home. And in my opinion, that is the most important part of the entire race. So keep on practicing, guys. Maybe we'll all get better together. Hopefully we can go to some of these big time SFG races. I don't know if any of you guys have seen that yet, but Kyle Riley is talking about putting on a big time points series, and everything he's been doing lately has kind of been blowing it out of the park as far as I've seen. So hopefully we can maybe go get some money here. Maybe not this year, maybe next year, but we'll see how it turns out. So don't forget to like and subscribe to the Going Bracket Racing YouTube channel. I always read all your comments and everything, try to get back to everybody. Hit the bell notification so you for sure know whenever I'm uploading, and we'll bring some more stuff like this to you guys as soon as we come up with ideas. If anybody has any ideas, questions, anything like that, let me know, and I'll try to do something for you guys. So just keep supporting the sport. We'll talk to you guys later. Bye.